Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to create a login page in Thunkable so you can build a secure mobile app interface, even if you're new to app development. First off, open your Thunkable project and go to the screen one where you'll design your login screen. Next, add a text input for email or username and another for password. Set the password input to password type so it hides the text. Here's a pro tip. Add a button labeled Login and connect it to a basic check using the logic blocks. You can set a default email and password for testing. Don't forget, use labels and images to make the screen look clean and user-friendly. Also, test your app in the live preview mode to see how the login works before moving to back-end integration. So should you feel stuck building your first login screen? Not anymore. Just follow these steps and start building fast. Let me know in the comments if you've built a login screen in Thunkable before, and what features you added next. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.